G'day there, thanks for tuning in. So I've been wanting to improve the audio quality of my voice on videos I make here on YouTube and elsewhere. So I decided to invest in a Blue Yeti microphone after doing plenty of research. So I went with the just the Blue Yeti, the blackout microphone, and this is it here in this box. So I'm very excited to give it a go and see what the quality is like. So let's just have a look and see what's in the box. Okay, so that's here. Alrighty, so what have we got here at the top? Just the cable for connecting it, little booklet, yeah, some basic instructions. I'm sure we'll figure it out. Alright, so here we have it, the microphone itself. Okay, it's actually got a bit more weight to it than I thought it would. Okay, so yep, little thing here, we'll spin it round. Just tighten those so it sits in place. Okay, so here it is, the Blue Yeti blackout. Actually think it looks quite stylish in the black. So on the front we've got a mute button and a volume button if you do, have your headphones connected to it, so you can check in on the volume and how it's sounding. So on the back is the pattern for the different directions of your voice and sound that you can do, and the gain for, again, controlling sound as well. So just on that pattern bit, and I'll read it directly from the box. So the Blue Yeti itself has 4 different pattern settings. So one is called cardioid, which they recommend for like if you're doing podcasts, voiceovers, Skype type calls, game streaming, YouTube, etc. Designed to just have the microphone, you in front of it, like that. Omnidirectional, so they recommend for conference calls, field recordings, events or orchestras. I'm not quite sure how they'll work. So anyway, that's omnidirectional, is obviously in front of you, side and behind, voice direction. Bidirectional, they recommend for interviews, instruments, vocal duets. So you're on one side of the microphone, someone on the other speaking. And stereo, a little bit similar to the omnidirectional, but for vocals, ensemble choir instruments is what they recommend. Yeah, so that's the microphone itself. So we're just going to plug it into the computer, and we'll see how it sounds. Okay, we've got the microphone in place. We'll just get the cord plugged in and then we'll give it a go. Right, good to go. Okay, so we're testing out the microphone now. It was really easy to set up. Just plug straight into the USB on the computer. So this is on the cardioid setting, or pattern as they call it. Yeah, so this will probably be the one I use the most. It's designed, as I said, for just me, direct to the microphone. So we'll just switch it at the back, switch this around. So this is the bidirectional, so if I had someone on the other side of the microphone, both of us talking. Right, we'll just turn that around again. Okay, so this is the omnidirectional, so if we had sound front, back to the sides, it would pick all of that up. And the final one, this is the stereo setting, so similar to the omnidirectional, but in stereo, again picking up sound from basically all directions. Yeah, so I'm going to be using this for the audio in my future videos here on YouTube and elsewhere. So yeah, looking forward to hopefully an improved sound quality. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks again. Bye.